we have another deal on the gold, which actually can be good for our deal of the day. Now, before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly share the video. Now, let me just share with you my idea about the gold, because right now we have a very clear double top pattern appeared on the daily chart and the 4-hour time frame. Now, it seems to me like the gold is going to continue the fall till it reach the real level of a support right here, exactly 2,290. So that's eventually be our final target for the gold, but not for this trade. I'm just saying that the gold most likely is going to continue the fall till it reach that level. So right now, we can see the current candle for the gold is actually blue one, which means there is a potential reversal or actually a pullback that might happen right now, and we can short the gold very soon. Actually, even here back on the daily chart, if we check that level of a resistance trend line, that is really interesting, because right now what we have right here is a very good pattern, which indicates actually a good signal for the sell. Right here we have a resistance trend line number 1, resistance trend line number 2, number 3, and then a major fake breakout with 0 support trend line happened. Usually, this is a winner stop, usually, my friends, of course. And as you can see down, the gold is rising actually to reach the same level of the resistance trend line. I believe it's going to be a very good idea to sell the gold from that point, targeting, of course, the real level of a support right here at 2,270. Now, we are still on the daily chart though. Now we can see clearly that we have right here also a strong key level of a resistance as well at 2,344.83. Now this actually match up with our original analysis with the resistance trend line, the fake breakout, and the real level of a resistance. That actually puts a lot of pressure on the gold to reach that level, to retest it, and then afterward it will most likely resume the fall. So what I'm seeing here is, in my opinion, is just a pullback happens, and eventually the gold will continue the fall. Therefore, by moving now to the 4-hour time frame, we can see clearly that there exactly is the best level to start selling the gold at 2,346. Combining this with the resistance trend line, I believe we do have here a very good entry. And also, it's a broken level of Fibonacci 61.8. This is of course the Fibonacci. As we can see right here, the market has reversed. That was of course a support number 1, and right here we have a strong bearish breakout candle, so therefore the market right now is falling. It will most likely retest the broken level of the Fibonacci retracement, and afterward this level of a real resistance is gonna be respected hopefully, and then the market will continue the fall. So everything says that this should be actually a good deal for the gold. So let me just tell you guys that we can actually set our take profit level. Now, since this is actually for Friday only, our take profit level can be placed just right here at the nearest level of a support at 2,306.97, targeting only 386 pips of profit only. And the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here, exactly at 2,367.42, ranging for about 200 pips. Let me know, please write the signal for you. And before we finalize the video, I just want to remind you, my friends, about our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. It's really important that you join this group, because, for example, here last week I sent a signal to buy the gold at the resistance, and as you can see, I have informed everybody to close it in 70 pips of profit. After that, it just kept falling down for around 900 pips. So thankfully, those who have followed my advice, they got out with a profit. Those who refused to join the free group of Telegram and they are trading by their own, they actually had to face the big losses. So again, any signal I'm sending here on YouTube, I'm sending here a follow-up and updates on my Telegram. And I highly recommend you guys to join this free group of Telegram. You can find the link in the description below of the video, or you can just simply search for it right here, Xtreme Trader Signals. And please be aware of the scammers who actually impersonating us and pretending to be Xtreme Trader using our name and logo. So there is actually a lot of them, at least 10 I have seen so far, with the fake members, of course. They are telling everybody that we are Xtreme Trader, send us your funds to trade it, and of course, once you send the funds, you will never see them again. They have stole it because they are thieves, they are scammers. But here in Xtreme Trader, of course, we never ask you to send any funds at all. We only selling Forex signals, and that's it. So anyway, my friends, I hope it's gonna be a good deal. And remember, just because it came from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable one. It also might fail, and for that we have to be always be ready and careful for the consequences of our trade. So anyway, until then, I hope everybody's a happy weekend, and I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.